which is on the left. This building, what you can see here, we took over in 2015, and we kept the design as it is. Usually we would not build it like a U-shape, we would build it a little bit differently, but this is how we took it over. On the right side we will have our office block, where all the administration, salesperson, meeting rooms are. And on the left we have our assembly line, which we will go after. And here in the front we put the showroom, where we are showing all the items, and this is where I'm putting you right now there. So what you see here at the entrance of our showroom, we put some pictures, which is showing you a little bit the time frame of what Mr. Hörmann was talking about. We started end of 2008, as you can see in our small warehouse here in Jebel Ali, with a small office here in front of it, which is only 25 square meters or 24, where we put the stuff, and we had to put a container, which was that time my office, inside of the warehouse. And this is how it was looking from inside, how we were sitting. And then you're seeing the development over 2010 and 2011. We moved to a bigger facility, double floor offices. You see the office on the top. Then of course we were participating every year starting from 2008 on the Big 5 show. This was our biggest exhibition, and we usually were taking a picture, and in 2012 you already see the number of the staff increased. Then we started, like Martin Hörmann was already telling, the assembly line, where we were manufacturing or assembling our roller shutters and sectional doors, which we're going to see today as well. And then in 2013 we moved to an even bigger place, also a JAFSA owned building with a showroom, meeting room. And to be continued is what you see in front, this building, which we moved to in 2015, and of course the new building which we are going, which is from 2018 onwards, where we will have later the hinge door production. Now I would like to show you inside quickly the showroom. Please enter. It's also much nicer inside. AC is working. So I'm hopefully stopping to sweat. So this is very typical for Hörmann worldwide, for the subsidiaries or even also for the factories, that we are trying to entertain always the showroom, where we can show all the items, what we have. And our showroom over here is splitted. On my left, you will see the residential side. At the end of the wall, you will see our internal doors, steel as well wooden for residential internal sides. Then we have this cubicle here with the residential roller shutters as well the garage doors. The garage doors production we are going to see. And on this side you see the main market, what we are at the moment entertaining, our industrial cubicle, where we are selling the most product these days in the Middle East, especially of course countries like UAE, where logistics is very, very booming and growing. We have our loading technology, the whole system, starting from the doors, the shelters, as well the dock levelers. One of our, of course, biggest products here. And when you come around, you see our high-speed doors, as well the aluminium and steel sectional doors, as well the spiral door. This is, of course, all products for the automotive industry, for the pharmaceutical industry, for the food industry, where our friends from Saudi are selling a lot too. And Mr. Hörmann is very fast. Our fastest door. On this side, you will see this is something new. We have which we're gonna activate in 2 weeks' time, where we are showing then where we are showing that handle sets, panic bars, etc. I don't know. Yeah, it comes out automatically, but we didn't activate it yet. Maybe Pabu is opening one example, just come over on this side. Later we will have an iPad, then you can open and you can present to everybody the different sets of panic bars, or later also the locks, etc. This is like something we built up just recently, and in this we can always show all the hardware which is available for the doors, which we manufacture here. Yeah, later of course it will be a little bit automated with the numbering, so every salesperson can provide the consultation in this way. On this corner we have everything what is commercial doors, for offices, for hospitals, for anything what is commercial related, big high tower buildings. And part of these doors we are going to manufacture in future here. And this is what we are going on the other side to present you in a little bit. Of course, due to the increase of products and due to the increase of acquisition, we increased also our showroom, where we will put more items. We will have here a corner where we are showing also some items from our Alutech. It's a new acquisition from Hörmann for alu facades. We will also put here some bollards for Pilomat which we bought. And here you will see the first tested and burned door in UAE, 4 hours, British standard. And this is how the doors looks like after 4 hours. You will see a movie which will run through 3 minutes, also in the warehouse later. And this is a typical fire test, how it's ended. This is the non-fire rated side. Yeah, you can see there is no flame here, and the flames on the other side will show you the burn side. Yeah, so you can also see the difference from where the fire is coming. And this is a door what we tested here, huge size, 4 hours, also not typical like everybody has it. Yes, and that's why we put it also in a nice frame to show it.
240 meters inside, it's around about 900 degrees.
More, 1016, 1023 over. So 4 hours is quite a high value, and we put it of course in 2 languages, so you can read it. Me, unfortunately not. I hope it's correct Arabic. And not Google Translate. No. It's correct?
No, it's fine. No, it's good.
Okay.
It's really good.
Yeah, that's why it's also to see how the doors looks like after 4 hours of fire. And it's also nice to show it here in the showroom. And later we will see how we're going to manufacture that door.
Piece of art.
Piece of art? You like it? Me also.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I like not the bird side.
You like the other side. You should always go the other side. Yeah, but you can see, I mean, where the fire came through, and at the end of the day, you will see that this side is not, of course, protected, so that the door passed the test in a good way. Here in the video, as I said, you will see one of the doors, I think it's the left one, which you burn, and it's also nice to see, I mean, it's only 3 minutes, you can see later in the warehouse, how a door will react in 4 hours of fire and flames. You can see how the flame is getting more and how the temperature is increasing. It's also nice to see that. There we will have a meeting and a training room in future, so we are moving everything over here so that we can train here our sales staff, we can here train technicians. This is just something which we recently added, that's why it's not filled up with so many products. Here also we have a corner, we have samples of frames for architects, consultants to see what are the different possibilities of frames to build up, which gives us, of course, with the production now also more flexibility of building them up. If you have questions, you always ask. If not, I will talk.
Very nice presentation.
Okay, then I would suggest let's move to the industrial door assembly line production. You have to follow me out again. sneak out from them, so we are not doing this. So, in the region, so on the left side, you can see it's residential.
Outhouse?
This is drücken, denke ich. And they were in this shape. So on the left side we have a different height. And this we have a different model. When we build up from scratch, we would build a little bit differently, but this is how we develop because of the location. We never build it from scratch, we build it or we renovate it.
You bought it from a German gentleman.
This one is from a German gentleman and that one is from an Iraqi gentleman. They were doing here aluminum doors and they were doing tiles. So that's why they had a higher roof. And here we have a lower roof. That's why it's less space and that's why we here the assembly line. For assembly you always don't need so much machinery, you will see that later. And what we basically did, the assembly line started from here and ending there where we have the roller shutters and the loading area. And on the left side we have now some space, which Mr. Hörmann probably will fill up with other ideas in the future.
You are the guy with ideas.
No,
I only have to stop you sometimes.
Okay, so as we of course change the whole structure a little bit because we are also getting a lot in the office. We made a new office here, which is then the office from our production team for the assembly line. They will be moving here next week. So here. Okay, basically our production manager will sit behind Mr. Becker in that office, and here we will have the preparation for the production. And then this is the area where we are manufacturing or assembling, to be precise. Please enter. So also typically for our assembling, we will have a line of some rackings here where we are keeping raw materials. Because for the assembly line, the raw materials are looking a little bit differently. They are already produced, pre-prepared, because it's not a fully manufacturing, it is assembly. So we are getting a lot of items from other factories, from different countries. Here, mainly from Germany and mainly from Europe. And we only cut them to sizes and modify them a little bit. Some of the products a little bit more, some of them a little bit less. Now in a few minutes our production manager, when he ends the other tour, will come and show us. I would suggest we go a little bit to the front because there the AC is also working, so it is cooler. So we need to wait a few minutes for Suni to come and show us the production. What we changed just recently here is, of course, due to the new building, we had more space and we did it a little bit bigger here. And also what we did, we upgraded it here with the AC because we figured out that during the summer it's not only for the guys, it was also for the product not very good to have them not with an AC. So we are cooling down this hall also to make it a little bit nicer for our people to work here. And there we see our production manager for the assembly line, Mr. Suni Tan, who is running towards us and will show us his assembly line. And if you have any questions, you can always ask him.
Sorry.
You're in stress, Suni?
No, I'm not.
You
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Industrial Production Facility. My name is Sritan. I will be your tour guide in this facility. Alright? Let me start with the machine here. With our biggest machine in this facility. Alright? This is our we call Plata Nostra, our curtain dispenser for the high speed door. Okay? And we have this machine can take up to 13.5 tons and we can stock up to 26 rows of the curtain. Okay? How does it work? My colleague Bob will show you how does it work. It will go either clockwise or anti-clockwise. It's subject to the position that we've been chosen. Okay? One is being done. So one of the cutter will stop at the home position. You pull up the leg with the other leg, and we will cut them manually. Alright? One is being cut. You transfer to the station over there for welding, and the second station to the on my left hand side. We'll go over there afterwards. Alright? And my colleague Andre will show you how this curtain is being welded together. Okay? And this curtain, currently the temperature is 570 degrees. Okay? With a speed of 6 meters per minute. Alright? This is how we weld together. And the overlapping of the curtain together will be 20 millimeters. Okay? And the full concentration is required here. 100% full concentration is required here. Alright? Ladies and gentlemen, if you have any question, please do forward to me. Don't be shy. And on my right hand side, you can see this is the door is being produced. Alright? So we just show you how it's being produced and how it looks like. What is being welded together, and how we attach the curtain together, and how the protection here. Alright? And this door is a 5030 SEL, high speed door, and you can see the wind lock is here with the wind lock. Okay, and the galvanized steel shaft is import from Germany with high quality. All right, and the curtain as well, each and everything you see on this table is from Germany with a good finishing. All right, ladies and gentlemen, do we have any question? Otherwise, we proceed to the next station. Come forward, please. And the station on my left hand side, this is a station where we prepare the bottom profile. It's being cut on this machine. Alright? Once being cut, it will come down and this will be inside the spring steel. As you can see the spring, it makes the bottom profile is very flexible. So it's being able to press and control by itself. Ladies and gentlemen, come forward. Come forward, ladies and gentlemen, don't be shy. And on my left hand side here, you can see this is the bottom part of the high speed door, and this station where the electrical component is being installed here. Mechanically, and the electrical component is being installed on this station. And you can see on this side, this is a full spring steel here. This is makes the door is so flexible. Once it hit by the forklift, it can repair by itself. Alright? And with the help of this butterfly switch. Okay. Once it's being hit, it will send a signal to the control board and inform the operator what to do. Alright? And let's come forward. If you have any question, please do forward to me.
Repairing by step, if it was
That's it. If it's hit by the forklift, so you will be go up on the side, guys. Okay? If you go out, you will be not damaged. Okay? You will be go up on the side, guys, and you can press one button, it will roll up by itself. And I can again to the operation. Morning, station.
Yeah.
And my colleague Bong will show you how the bottom section is going to be welded together. Okay? This is the bottom section. The bottom section is going to weld together with this material. We call it heater. Okay? It's going to attach together with the curtain. Okay? With the temperature of 550 degrees. Okay? And with a speed of 4 meters per minute. Okay? And one is welded. It's going to be very strong. And we're going to insert the bottom profile onto the curtain, and the bottom section is going to be done on that station after it's being transferred over there. Once the welding is finished, so we transfer to the main cable over there to complete the door. Alright? Ladies and gentlemen, any questions? If not, let's just forward. Sorry. Let's just go forward to the next station. And the station on my left-hand side, okay, this is Castle Pencil machine. This machine is cutting all the landing shaft. For example, this you can see the shaft. This for high-speed door is galvanized and also import from Germany. All right, and you can see. And this station where my colleague is going to weld together the axis onto the shaft. Okay, and you can see the finishing of the welding will be light. Okay. And in this station, it's very critical as well. You have to have a precise measurement to attach the axis together, okay? And with the hole, you can have a look, have to be precise, okay? And have to be precise to hold this in position. It should not have any break at all, okay? One is being welded together, will be transferred onto that table to roll up the curtain together. Ladies and gentlemen, my speed is too fast. Please let me know if you can't follow. And this station is a station where we assemble our side guide, okay, for the high speed. And this model is a 5020, okay. This station is where we assemble the electrical part and mechanical part together. And the motor side is the right hand side. So one thing I would like to highlight here, once the order is being placed, for example, the motor right hand side motor, you cannot change the motor after that onto the left hand side due to some side technical reason. It's not allowed or it's not recommended to do so. So place your check carefully before placing an order. All right, to save yourself a lot of trouble from the customer. Let's go forward to the next station. And this station, actually, is our feeding instructor. It's our new product. We haven't announced it yet to our client, but it's already in the pipeline. It's going to be announced very soon. A new product is a rolling shutter, it's a DD rolling shutter. Okay, and you can see the end cap here. We have all 4 different type of end cap. They have to have in a exact position as per the program. Okay, we cannot change them in a different position. Otherwise, you will have operation trouble afterward, because otherwise if I change this in another part on the top, when it roll up, you will overlapping or we will tangle together. Okay, and how is this profile being done? You can see with the help of this stencil. Okay, the stencil we have to drill manually. One slab manually will drill for 16 times per slab. The subject what kind of end cap is being used, we have to drill 16 times per end cap to make sure it's ready hold together, have a good quality to run it, to serve the purpose.
Excuse me.
Yes, please.
Excuse me. Many things manually. Everything is in machine.
No, here we do manually. Yes, only manually, because it has to be precise and manually. The machine, I mean, you need a yes, assembly line. Later on, you will see over there, on the other side, all will be automation. We are total opposite. And in this video, ladies and gentlemen, in this chamber, you can see all the components of our door. Okay, we have 4 different type of doors here, so all sections we categorize them differently with the number coding, or with the color coding. And each part have the article numbers. And what you saw inside here, everything is coming from Germany, from our factory, all with article number. In case your door you need to change any spare part, please do forward us your production number or the article number to make sure that you get the correct part, to make sure that you have a smooth operation at the end of the day. All right? Any question, ladies and gentlemen? If not, we will proceed to the next station. Sorry, I'm pushing because I think the time is. where the spring is being produced for the residential garage door and for the industrial garage door. The spring is being tailor-made or custom-made according to the door size. Okay? How big is the spring going to be customized? How the spring, it depends on the weight of the door. So it means once you place the door, you cannot modify that. To make sure to ensure that you have a smooth operation, please do not modify your spring at all. Okay? Any questions, ladies and gentlemen? If not, just come to this station. And this station is where we produce our panel. Okay, for the domestic or residential garage door and industrial door. This is the back of the panel, and you cut according to the back of the order. Okay, and the whole detail here as well. And the machine on my left hand side, this is the provision for the window of the door. So this is a station where we prepare the window cut out, and the window will be being assembled here. And you can see on my left hand side, this area, all is our finished good waiting area, is waiting to be shipped to our logistic area. This is our high speed door, how it looks like after finishing. Alright? And this is our industrial section of door, how it looks like after finishing, and this is the residential part, and this is our rain shutter part. Alright? Any question, ladies and gentlemen? Otherwise, that's that is not painting. No, this is original. Original. You can see on the roll already. It's already original.
Not at all.
It's too slow.
No, it's
loading activities. Okay. Okay. You might wonder how I do my loading and unloading activities with the help of this machine. Gentlemen, please step away. I will show you how does it work. Sorry. Wrong button. Okay. This machine can take up 6.5 tons. Okay. It can go up to the height. The finished floor level 1.6 meter. Okay. This machine is helping us to bridge our forklift and the container, helping our loading and offloading activities. And you can see on the side there's a safety. The black profile is for the safety. You press it, it will stop. Ladies and gentlemen, this last chapter will be the last of the tour. Do you have any question? Please forward to me. Otherwise, we'll proceed to the next factory. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed it.
Thank you.
نطلع على قد
Immer noch rein, ne? Here the offices. And 2 floors. And this will be the entrance to the production and also the building. Just please watch your step here and also watch the rails here.
I think something said will be nice, so will not record sound more. It will be only sound like that, so it will not be too much of a voice, and it will be difficult to explain. So please depend on your eyes.
all without manpower. It's fully automated. The same way we have it in Germany and all our other factories as well. Only a little bit smaller here. We are working with the steel the whole system of the knowledge. So here we are doing the dollies. The dollies is always out of two sides. There is a bottom and there is a top part. As well, we are preparing here the sheets and the cutouts for the frames. The frames we are bending later, but here we are getting all the materials for the whole door. For the door, you the frame. So we will wait. Part of the door will come out, and there you can see the holes for the blocks, the holes for the hinges, and as you can see also fully automated, no manpower involved, same machine that we see even when we are manufacturing here. We are guaranteeing the same quality like what we have. The bending of the
as we are not seeing it useful because it's no sound, we'll stop the recording, and we have to apologize from everyone that we will stop the recording for this video. Now it's okay, and thank you so much for your interaction. Bye.